Hello everyone, myself Manmohan, and today I am going to present a very simple, funny and interesting activity, and its title being Rising S Rings, and which is based upon the principle of convectional currents of heat. The materials required for making this simple funny activity is as shown here: paper tea bags, scissor, an insulating stone tile, matchstick, etc. Let us demonstrate this activity. For performing this activity, just take a tea bag and cut its clip bend with the help of the scissor. Now empty this tea bag and make the paper column by straightening the edges. So that it stands vertically. We have emptied some more tea bags and let us place them on this insulating platform. So we have lightened the candle with the help of the matchstick, and we have made 3 columns of the tea bags paper, and we are uh, getting them ignited with the help of this candle one by one. Say. And let us see what happens now. This is rising up in the air. This is this one. This appears very surprising and dramatic as these S's are flying up in the air, defying the gravity. But this is due to a simple scientific phenomenon, which is the convectional current of heat. Whenever the air is heated, it expands and becomes less dense, and the air surrounding to it, which is colder one, pushes it, and due to this, it is pushed upward, so that the convectional currents are formed. As we have made this column, so there is an air in this column. Whenever this is burning, the air in it is heating, and this is being pushed by the colder air from the surrounding, and this acts as if there is the more dense cold air is more dense, is pushing the less dense fluid, means as if there is a buoyant force. So this rises up into the air in the form of these S rings, and this is quite amazing and dramatic. Thank you.